First, remove the 4 corner caps by using a flathead screwdriver. Use a Phillips screwdriver or a drill with a Phillips bit to remove the screws. When they are removed, you can pull out the control panel. Use a small flathead screwdriver to remove the temperature probe from its casing. Separate the 3 quick disconnects. And uncoil the temperature probe. To install the control panel, recoil the temperature probe, connect the 3 quick disconnects, insert the temperature probe into its casing, replace the 4 screws to secure the control panel in place, and replace the 4 corner caps.